Welcome to Khanmigo 101, the Tutor Me Tool. High school can be pretty tough. Juggling schoolwork, extracurricular activities, friends, jobs, and more can make it really challenging to stay on top of everything. Sometimes it can feel like homework and studying is a full-time job, especially when things get difficult and you need extra help. Do any of these thoughts resonate with you? I need help with my homework, but no one at home knows how to help me. I have to wait to get help during SRT. I wish I could just learn this stuff the first time around. Studying for tests by myself is really hard. I need help with my classes on the weekends, but no one's around to help me. Fortunately, this year, freshmen, sophomores, and juniors will have access to Khanmigo, a virtual AI-powered tutoring tool created by Khan Academy. Khanmigo is a tool that you have access to whenever you need it, whether it's in class, during SRT, in the evenings, and even on the weekends. Khanmigo offers help in math, science, and humanities related courses. What makes Khanmigo unique is that it doesn't just give you answers, it actually helps you learn information. Many free AI websites, such as ChatGPT, are not actually designed to be used by students as learning tools. When you pose a question to them, they simply determine the answer. If you want to learn from these tools, you have to take the time to analyze the answers they give you. That's really challenging to do. Khanmigo, on the other hand, is designed to be used as a learning tool. When you pose a question to Khanmigo, it tutors you, breaking down your question and asking you leading questions to help you get closer and closer to the answers. It was designed to help you learn how to answer similar questions on your own and actually learn the material. This approach actually tends to save students time because you don't have to break down an answer by yourself. This year, you're going to learn how to use the various tools within Khanmigo, including Tutor Me, Writing Coach, Test Prep, and Help Me Focus tools. Throughout the school year, you will learn how to use each of these tools. Just about every month, we'll dig into another Khanmigo feature one at a time when it's probably the most helpful for you. This month's Project Khanmigo focus is the Tutor Me tool, which is Khanmigo's primary AI tutoring tool. To access this, log into Clever, click on the Khan Academy app, click on Activities in the bottom left corner of your screen, and then select either Math and Science or Humanities. Humanities include subjects such as English, history, business, social studies, and the arts. If you have never interacted with AI before, you might find it to be a little awkward at first. The act of getting information you need from AI is called prompting, and it usually takes practice to master. However, Khanmigo was designed to be more conversational for students to use right away. Watch this video to learn how to communicate with the Tutor Me tool.
What we're going to do in this video is talk about how you can use Khanmigo if you need help or if you are stuck on something. So let's say you're having trouble in your math class. So you might want to go to the activity Tutor Me Math and Science, because we're talking about a math class. You'd also go here if you're talking about a science class. You could do this here, or you could go to that content on Khan Academy and Khanmigo can show up on top of that. But let's just stick to where we are now. Now, the more that you can tell Khanmigo about what you're having problems with, the more it can help you. So, for example, if I just said something very open-ended like, I'm confused in math, it doesn't help Khanmigo a lot to think about, well, what kind of math are you having help with? Think about how you're talking to, say, a teacher. And if you just told a teacher, hey, I'm just having trouble with math, the teacher's going to have to ask more questions to figure out exactly what type of math. So Khanmigo says, oh, no worries at all. Math can be a tricky fellow. Could you tell me which part of math you're finding a bit puzzling? Is it decimals, factoring quadratics, or something else? So I can use these little bubbles here if it is one of these, but maybe it's something different. Now, maybe we're having trouble with equations. Ideally, we would write down equations, or we could write something else. We could click on something else here. Let me click on something else here. Absolutely. Could you tell me what that something else is? It will help me guide you better. So it's always important, just read exactly what Khanmigo is asking for you and then try to answer its questions. Now, you could potentially click on one of these, but these actually aren't really helping tell Khanmigo what that something else is. So let me just write it down. It's equations. And if I could tell it what type of equations, that would be even better. But let me just say I'm just going to go with equations. Equations are like little puzzles waiting to be solved. Now, are we talking about simple equations, quadratic equations, or perhaps something else? Let's narrow it down a bit more. So I am going to say, well, my teacher told me something about two-step equations. Two-step equations. And we could have started here. If the first thing I wrote Khanmigo is, hi Khanmigo, I'm having trouble with two-step equations, we could have gotten here a lot faster. Okay, so two-step equations are like a dance, 2 steps to find the answer. Let's practice with an example. How about this one? So a lot of times when you see a bunch of text like this and then you see all these other options, it can be a little intimidating. But I encourage you, even if you need to, read it out loud and just read it step by step or piece by piece and think about what is Khanmigo asking you. So it's kind of having a little bit of a with fun right here, comparing it to a dance, but it's starting with an example. How about this one? 3x plus 2 is equal to 8. What is the first step you think we should take to solve this equation? So if you know what the first step is, you can say it. Or you might even say, this isn't the type of equation we're dealing with with my teacher. It's more like this, or it deals with division, or it deals with something else. But let's say this is the type of question that you're having trouble with. And if you do know what the first step might be, say to subtract 2 from both sides, well, you might write that down. It also gives you some choices right over here. And this is actually what I would say anyway, so let me pick that. This right over here is Khanmigo just double checking the math. Spot on, subtracting 2 from both sides gives us 3x equals 6. Now it's really important, just don't click on bubbles just hoping to get another reaction. You should really read what Khanmigo is saying and try to understand. So for example, you don't know how subtracting 2 from both sides got you to 3x is equal to 6, then you could ask it that. Don't just feel like you have to click on one of these things. Ask, I'm still confused why 3 disappeared on the left. And so the better that you can articulate exactly what you're wondering about, and then when Khanmigo responds, read Khanmigo's question carefully and answer it as best as you can, you're going to have a more productive and hopefully more helpful tutoring session.
Khanmigo also offers a text-to-speech feature that reads out its chat responses. This feature is accessible on web browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari, and also on iOS devices, but not currently Android. You can choose between English, Spanish, and Portuguese, and even adjust the voice style. The feature is activated by clicking the headphone icon. Click on the microphone icon to be able to speak out loud to Khanmigo and have it respond to your voice. Your teachers may be using Khan Academy courses to provide you with extra practice with course content. If that's the case, you have access to the Tutor Me tool anytime you need it while you work on Khan Academy content. Just look for the purple icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. When selected, you'll see a panel appear in the same window so that you can see your practice content and interact with Khanmigo at the same time. Now let's get logged into Khanmigo. Open a new tab, navigate to Clever, click on the Khan Academy app, and then click on Activities in the bottom left corner of your screen. Select either Math and Science or Humanities, and give prompting a go. Give the tool a question to answer. Notice how it works. It doesn't just give you the answer. Rather, it starts to ask you questions, leading you closer and closer to your answer, and more importantly, to learning the information yourself. Throughout the month, try using the Tutor Me tool during SRT, to help with homework and studying for tests, and even in classes to help clarify information while you're learning it. Next month, we're going to hear your feedback about how it's working for you, and then learn how to use Khanmigo for help with writing assignments. See you then!